Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this multi-rain shower functional head, and I wanted to show you how this is boxed in here and kind of some of the quality, and then I'm going to install it and show you how that's going to work back in my own bathroom. Comes with the handheld piece here, this very large rain head shower piece, which looks very nice, and it's all packaged extremely well in the box. You've also got all the other parts that you will need, including diverter valves, grommets, suction cups, little cords that are going to attach on, and a little shelf. So let's get it installed. So the first thing we've got to do is remove this old singular shower head so that we can install this new rain shower head. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and get a hold of the old one, and we're going to go ahead and remove that by unscrewing that from the wall. Now that we've removed the old one, we're going to go ahead and install the new one. This is meant to fit with a pipe that comes flush. Our pipe happens to sit back in the wall about 1.5 inches, so I've had to buy an adapter piece to get back into the wall, but that normally will not be the case. And you're just going to screw that in like so. If you need to tighten this down, because it's a nice chrome finish, you can always put a rag or a piece of toilet paper or Kleenex in between while you turn this to tighten it down. That way you make sure you get it completely tight without scratching the finish. Now we've got that diverter valve firmly put in place, it'll be able to divert to either upper or lower. We're going to go ahead and put on this upper piece here with the nice rain shower head. I've gone ahead and attached the rain shower head onto this. It just twisted on finger tight with that. This piece here, it came with a basket that had some additional gaskets. We're going to put that in there, and I've gone ahead and put a little bit of that threaded tape on there. We're going to go ahead and get this part screwed on next. Next, you're going to take these two shaft pieces that are going to connect to run the full length of this, and you're going to insert those together. This has an O-ring that's already on this. If for some reason it was not on there, there was an extra bag that did come with some extra O-rings, but it won't require any threaded tape. It's just going to feed directly into this piece here just to make a longer pipe, and that rubber seal will connect that together. And then once we get that twisted together to where that's flush and sealed on, this piece here that's going to hold our handle part is going to slide over this part here, and then we are going to go ahead and twist this part down to tighten it down into place wherever it is you want it for now. It'll be adjustable to slide up and down later. Next, we put another one of those rubber grommets in there, and we're going to feed this pipe up over the bottom of this and tighten it down where it makes contact with that piece. And we will need to tighten it down with a wrench, so we will get that tightened down. Next, you're going to take this piece here that's going to hold against the wall, as well as this piece here, and this is going to sit directly in here, and there is a little set screw that you'll use an Allen wrench to tighten once you get it the correct distance away from the wall. Because some walls will be sitting out further than others, we're going to slide this over here like this. So now I have it shoved all the way up on here, where this threaded part is still sticking out the bottom. I've tightened this part down to secure this in place, and I've adjusted this part out just a little bit to make it even with the wall. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten this set screw down just to lock that in place. Next, we've got this nice metal cable that came zip tied with two of these rubber grommets. We're going to put one of them in each end. I'm going to take the small end and I'm going to attach it onto the bottom of this, and we're going to tighten that in. And I'm going to take the other one and insert the grommet, and I'm going to tie it into the shower head, which is right here, and get that one down. Now these don't need to get cranked down really hard. You just want to just finger tight these on there like that. So that'll be fine to hold that on there, and again, just make sure that it doesn't leak. But aside from that, it fits that rubber piece down on there. It doesn't need to be too difficult on there to be tightened. Then we're going to take that part and put it up here. That will sit in here, so that you now have an adjustable front shower that you can then remove and use when you're in the shower. Last step here, we've got this shelf that you can install at the end. It's optional if you want to have a shelf or just leave it clean like this. It slides off. You put the back piece around it like so, and then you can install this piece, and just slides down over the top of that there. And then you actually have a screw in here that you can tighten down using a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten that in place so that that can get exactly where you want to have that. So this diverter valve up here will allow you to switch from either this sprayer here to this nice rain shower head up here that you can stand underneath and get a nice rain shower there. One nice feature about this handheld unit is that aside from being able to spray like that, on the back it also has this switch here that if you press this down, it actually switches to a jet blast for cleaning or even a spray blast for rinsing off walls and things like that, which is a nice feature that they have. Or you can switch it back to this, and it has various settings on this as well. So you can get just that right type of shower for you.